Global app spending, my goodness gracious, reached 407 million on Christmas. Over 100 billion. Hang on a second. Over 100 billion collectively this year in consumer spending on the Google Play and iOS App Store.
It's a lot of dough.
And on Christmas, 407 million, growing 35% over the previous year. 35% from 2019. People are fired up.
Yeah.
You can see the graph here, the distribution of game purchases versus non-game. Games dominating, obviously. We have 295.6 million coming via games on Christmas and 112 million from everything else, adding to an absolutely staggering year for digital spending. Tencent's Honor of Kings was the category leader with approximately 10.7 million in consumer spending, up 205%. And once again, that's on Christmas. The category that generated the most revenue outside of games on both Apple's App Store and Google's platform was entertainment. So that throws in your, your Disney Plus and your Netflix and things like this, because those payments are processed through the App Store as well, right? I've been using the Disney Plus. I mean, I told you that.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're billing me every month.
Uh-huh.
That's how it goes.
Mandalorian.
Yeah, that's how it goes. TikTok was the top app in terms of consumer spending that was not a mobile game, generating $4.7 million globally on Christmas. Ads? Spending.
Spending.
Can I shop in TikTok? I think I can shop in TikTok. I don't know.
They partner with Shopify.
They partnered with Shopify. So I shop in TikTok and they get a piece? TikTok gets a piece?
We should really use that app to know.
Yeah, I think either you or I would have to use TikTok to know exactly what's going on. Anyways, Apple's App Store captured the bulk of the spending on the two platforms. It got almost 70% of the total spending. And, well, that leaves about 33%. No, not 33%. 32%. Anyway, left over for the Google Play Store. Of course, this doesn't map accordingly to the installed base of both of these platforms, but it's been known for a while that as far as app spending is concerned, a lot of it happens on iOS, Mr. Willie Doo.
Yeah. TikTok purchases, apparently.
Maybe that's what it is. Some of those games, though.